Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Aetherion Bait fast. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to the crystal tab like this, and once you're there, just look for the NPC that called Costly Pirate. This one over here. Just meet him over here, and then next, just accept the quest by talking to him like this. And then go to quest menu and then just tap on crystalline secrets, this one. And then after that you will need to complete a series of quests like this. You must own an element rod, and then you must own a singularity bait, catch the accursed kraken, and then catch an pirate grand maja. And you can get these two secret fish just by fishing on this crystal tab, just fishing on this area directly. And then last, you must catch a mythic fish with the crystallized mutations. You can also fish this fish on this area. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.